Projekti y'ibaro Tractors ba Kirabe ya Kabohe babarira miliyoni 6 okuba yahwiro myaka 3 erimo kunduze bina byishomero okora amizi aho bwahatabeji nibatabaganira byaganana n'amatungo ahizibariye cyaro hamwe n'ebindi ekinte cyabatira muhimbo bakasharamo kurutaha mukono.
Bayegamba Primary School Bridge project tunemo renovating block ya Zina. Then tunayokora wash project harimo okuparinga boreholes na okubatwara mizi tuzakutwara tank. So it's a project ezakumara emyaka kusia yeshatu kandi it's estimating over 40 to 60 million.
Anga by then bari kukozesa kumwe na community borehole konkobwa hati bija batugambira later ngu community mninge ecyaro cyabo kikagumana ngu abana bishomero tuba kutera bururu so tubikire kozesa borehole bwanyuma niko kuza ahari ahizo.
Ishomero rya Bayegamba Primary School heri yatandikira mu mwaka gwa 1976 rityurukaza ha mukono gwa government umwaka gwa 1991 munirunduga ashoborire okuteganisibwa okubarukora bamo.
In the boarding section we have almost 84. They sleep on ground, on the floor. We brief them, the pupils, we guide them, we counsel them to know or to understand the values in education. Don't fear, we tell them, don't fear about sleeping with the floor. But what is important is to get what you want. We sleep on the floor.
Abatura nabo bashoborire okwetiza ubucamizi kiri kuteganisa enshoma y'abana ekinte kiri kwerarikiriza nabo mwe bakahendera bangire kushoma
muka aba Rotaract batwatireho kishomero kune amizi kune tanka eida turupe anyakanda ikondo cyetera abana bitu babishikira na munonga nabozo bareke kushohora munonga kwiza tahamizi
waha bakwenda bakamena batera ishara wera biza bapuma ko bapumere turamanye cyabiriho bagiteka ruguru kunkana na ruguru n'entureba yayuma iribanga kuri kirininga byona mwene bityo biho bisobiye no garamizo gari.
Ahanho district 9214 Rotaract representative alkutwari hangari ya Uganda na Tanzania asimiro butaremura ahabwa bakabohe okuranzia hare
hapa Kabohe kuangalia vijana wa Rotaract Kabohe wana mradi ambao wanafanya ambao ni kusaidia kuweka mazingira mazuri ya shule ya msingi Bayegamba Primary School shule ya msingi Bayegamba ambako wanatengeneza madarasa, wanakarabati madarasa 3 kwa sababu yako kwenye hali mbaya sana na wanafunzi hawezi kusoma kwa amani, lakini pia wanasaidia kuleta chanzo cha maji vyanzo vya maji karibu ambako wanaweka pampu ya maji kwa sababu kijiji hiki hakina maji ya kutosha na wanafunzi wanapata shida kutumia community.
Atyaka bagosheza ogwenya bishatu na mnongo kubine kwetwaza babantu benda kubabo mugasho.
This year is for us to be as intentional as possible. Let's treat this year as a different year as if tomorrow won't come. Look to the reason to why you join, analyze yourself, assess yourself, look at the areas where you want to develop as an individual, even if it's one area, then capitalize on that.
It's a vision. Teka ribaiga nabo tumukama bantu. Amen. Usinje bwara uburengero kwetiza ko umuntu wena urinde mitima yanyu n'ubwenge bwanyu mugubene manyaruhanga nimukunda no mwandese kusumka mu kandi mushobora ngo bushobozi bwona tateite umwana umwe kwera umene no kubarinde ikitongore cyanyu cyabumugisha.
Ishomereri ritirwa ha mukono nerishangwa mugombora ya Kigarama district ya Shema aho emyaka 10 yahingwire rikaba ritakarebaga grade yo kubanza mpaka umwaka guhwire aho rufunare bashatu kandi ho bwahatiriye nabeji 2007 gasha kwa Gerard tuguma muri Shema aha bwa Tayari West.